Thieves oil has a kind of interesting background. They say that during the 1400s, there was actually this group of 4 guys who were thieves, and they were going around during the bubonic plague and stealing from people who were ill and dying, but for some reason, they weren't getting sick. At the time, the stiff penalty for stealing from those who were ill or dying was to get burned to death. So when they got brought into the courtroom, the judge told them if he would tell them what it was that they were doing so that they wouldn't get sick, that he would make sure that they didn't burn. So they told him this combination of different oils that they were using, and they would put it on their hands, their feet, they would put it on their face, and then in their mask, and they would wear that as they went through these different homes stealing from them. So the judge, according to his word, ended up just having them hung instead, and that is theoretically where this combination came from. But there have been lots of studies on it, and they've found that it's antimicrobial, it enhances the immune system, and it's actually really good for the respiratory system. So this is what we have now. The first thing that I'll need is a 10 milliliter bottle, and I want it to be either the dark amber like this one is or one of the dark cobalt bottles. And that's just so that the sunlight won't degrade it. And then I'll start with 100 drops of clove oil, 80 drops of lemon oil, 80 drops of eucalyptus oil, 70 drops of cinnamon oil, and 70 drops of rosemary oil. Then I'll place the little dropper portion on the top. You don't have to have that, but I like it. It makes it a little bit easier to use. And then I'll put on the lid. And then I'll need to store this in a cool, dry, dark location so that the oils don't degrade. So you can use it for all different kinds of massage and topical uses as long as it has some kind of carrier oil like almond or coconut or olive oil. You can also add it to a diffuser to put it in the air, and you can add it into multiple different kinds of cleaning agents.